Hello students, welcome to lab number 20 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IK Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. Today I am going to discuss about this program, count total number of vowels in the word. For that, I am using Spider platform. In the previous program, what we did, we count occurrence of vowels in the previous program, that is program number 19. Let's copy this one because this content is required in this program. Let's copy this one and paste here. You can convert into lower and only the lower alphabets are there. This one is the previous program. Let us check that. Suppose I am writing like this. A is equal to 0 and E is equal to 0, I is equal to 2, O 0, then U 1. Now basically what we have to do, we have to count total number of vowels in the word. This one is quite simple. If you know about the contents of the dictionary, these are known as keys and these are known as values. Two parts are there. First one is key and second one is value. You have to count the number of values only, nothing else. 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1. Basically, this answer is equal to 3. In this way, you can count the number of vowels. For that, what we have to do, suppose I am writing here M is equal to C dot values. Suppose M is the variable. Then suppose I have to calculate the total values. TV or total count is equal to sum. Then inside bracket M. I am picking all the values in the variable M. Then I am adding all the values of M and saved those values inside one variable, that is TV, total values. Suppose I am printing here, you can say total vowels, simply write TV here. Now execute the program. Now write again some sentence, total number of vowels is equal to 3. Hope you understand the content of counting these values. This one is similar to the previous program. These contents are from program number 19 and we have to add just these 3 lines. We have to count the number of values only. First of all, I have to save these values inside one variable, then applying one method of Python, that is sum, and store those values in one variable and representing that variable in new printing format. Hope you understand the content. In the next video, I will discuss about palindrome number, that is program number 21. Thanks for watching my video.